What is this called? Carrying. What is this called? Digging. What is this called? Rubbing. What is this called? Scratching. What is this called? Snapping. What is this called? Spinning. What is this called? Stretching. What is this called? Blowing. What is this called? Bowing. What is this called? Shaking. What is this called? Juggling. What is this called? Kneeling. What is this called? Sneezing. What is this called? Winking. What is this called? Spreading. What is this called? Kneading. What is this called? Peeling. What is this called? Mixing. What is this called? Scooping. What is this called? Serving. What is this called? Drizzling. What is this called? Sprinkling. What is this called? Blending. What is this called? Boiling. What is this called? Rolling. What is this called? Whisking. What is this called? Frying. What is this called? Stirring. What is this called? Pouring. What is this called? Cutting. Great job, everyone! Don't forget to like and subscribe to Red Melon TV for more fun.